Definitely the right kind of weather to go skiing. No snow, but just frigid temperatures out there.
Yeah, it gets you in the spirit, especially Thursday and Friday as those temperatures drop once again. Today, kind of the mildest day of the work week here. Even up at Perfect North, you're expecting temperatures to top out in the mid 40s. It looks like gusty winds, some rain and snow showers tonight. And then Thursday and Friday, 25 is the high temperature tomorrow. I would say Friday is a better day, right around freezing, but with lighter winds. That, of course, is key when you're skiing or snowboarding. You can see those overnight lows in the teens there. I'm just waiting for the snow tubes to open up at Perfect North. Temperatures area wide here. We do have some milder air that's been moving in from the south and southwest. You can see more of those greens far off to our west, more so in Missouri. So temperatures are milder than they have been. We are in the 40s, mid to upper 40s. That's what's expected this afternoon across much of Kentuckiana. But when you factor in the wind chills, because yes, we're still dealing with wind chills, even though these winds are coming in from the south and southwest, it feels like the 30s out there. That's because we're dealing with those strong wind gusts, 25 to 30, 35, even 40 miles per hour possible. And these feel like temperatures will continue to drop behind the cold front that's going to move through tonight. So as you step out the door tomorrow morning, expect a wind chill likely in the single digits. You will want to bundle up, make sure the kiddos are bundled up for your Thursday morning. Satellite and radar right now, all is dry for us. You can see a light band of rain and snow far off to our north, moving closer to the Indianapolis area here. We're actually getting a few peaks of sunshine this afternoon, which was expected, kind of a mix of sun and clouds sort of day after a cloudier start. Futurecast showing just that, partly sunny skies through the afternoon with those highs close to normal in some spots in the upper 40s. We could even get close to 50 degrees if we get just enough sunshine and that strong southwest wind. Now tonight, I'd say after about 10, maybe 11 p.m., we start to see some moisture trying to show up on the radar here. We're not going to get a ton of it through our particular area. Best chance still off to our east and northeast, but there is a chance, a very small window between about 10 or 11 and 1 or 2 a.m. where we could have a light shower, maybe a few snowflakes. Does look like that moisture will be racing out before the coldest air dives in here. And then temperatures really struggling to rebound tomorrow afternoon, even with sunshine returning. Expect the bulk of your Thursday to be spent in the 20s with those feel-like temperatures in the single digits and only rebounding into the teens for the afternoon hours. So very, very cold day expected on Thursday. Still plenty chilly on Friday with a high of 35 degrees. Milder this weekend. If you have any Christmas shopping to get done or outdoor decorations, you still need to get up. 52 degrees on Sunday. That rain moving in likely later on in the evening, more so into the overnight hours, because that will take us into early next week. Widespread shower activity expected Monday, potentially lingering into Tuesday with mild air in the 50s. And then we cool off and dry out for the rest of next week with highs back in the 40s.